Yo, good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday. TGIM, yes? Yes, no, maybe so. Good morning, guys. Oh, it's good to be back. The only thing that is making me want to entertain the idea of a bearish bias is just the fact that we created that SMT with ES at the highs. And if you guys remember, on Thursday of last week, had a very nice reaction down from this daily inefficiency. Question is whether or not that's going to hold or not, right? Or if we're just going to kind of give a temporary reaction and then just absolutely obliterate it is the question. So yeah, the only thing that stands out to me on this 4-hour chart would be this trendline liquidity that's building up here as a low resistance liquidity run. I mean, you could take this all the way back. You got equal lows here, equal lows, kind of just stacking up down here. So it's definitely building up a nice market maker sell model. The question is when that market maker sell model is going to kick in. At first glance, got a little SMT at the highs here. London high being taken by NQ, ES lagging behind, back above New York midnight as well. Here's 930. I like what we've done here as well. I like this looks like it could be a good draw. 930 open, equal lows right below that as well. I like this liquidity pool here. Oh boy, we've inversed here on the 15-second. Wonder if we're just gonna dump. London high swept. Time-wise, we're a little early before the macro. Yeah, I want to see if we get a reaction down here or not. If we do, I might try the shorts, like a displacement in here down to opening range low. Well, let's see, boys. Macro's not for another 6 minutes or so, so we'll stay patient. Wait for something clear to form. No buttons pressed as of yet. Macro in 5 minutes. News 9:45. What do we got? Like our orange folder? Yep. Orange folder news. PMI right now. Just ran out. Look at this. Just ran this out. Look at that move down here on the 15-second. That could have been the soup here. Yes, it was. ES did not get above that high. Oh boy. I'm going to try a short here. See if they can soup and just run. So we got SMT with this high here with ES. ES did not run this high out. News came out. We ran this high. We displaced heavy back down. Hopped back in. All right, not back in. Hopped in for the first time. 27-point stop. Looking for these lows. Still a little early before the macro. Early entry. I mean, if I get stopped out, I guess so. But we had the SMT with ES here. News came out. I kind of liked the drawdown here. So with this displacement, hopped in just thinking that we had a chance for price to just start running without giving much retracement. So could say that I got, you know, sucked into the 15-second chart. No follow through there on a 1 minute. Here comes macro, boys. Okay, stopped out of this. Yeah, you guys can see that SMT I was talking about right here. I mean, it's still present. It's always the second turtle soup, boys. The second one, not the first one. Let's see, boys. I'm still game to play my short idea. If we can get what looks like a clear displacement lower, like I said, might have just been too eager on that 15-second chart. Take a peek at it. What it looks like right now. Looks like that. Doesn't look too shabby. Don't look too shabby, boys. Watch it just run without me now. Yeah, Tyler, you gotta wait for the second turtle soup. Yep. That first turtle soup, that'll get you. That second one, though. Gotta come back for seconds. I think I'm gonna try this sell limit one more time. Stop at the high. Same target. Just got triggered in, boys. Same target. Same stop at the high. I want to see this 5-minute candle. I'm debating if I should just take my risk off when we trade into this, in case my bias is wrong and we respect from here. You know what I'm saying? You guys feel me? Nice reaction so far. Ended up getting a good fill on that limit, so Let's see where she goes, boys. Let's see. Hopefully she can be real quick and painless. Just melt. It's always a second turtle soup. Didn't you learn that before? Yeah, and then the one time I wait for the second one, it ends up being the first one. Why does that happen? I think I will. I think I probably will trade, trail my stop down to my entry when we trade into here. We're close. We're real close. There we go. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do it just because if we come back up with a vengeance, I don't think that'll be good for us. So 5-minute fair value gap is what we're trading into at the moment. Hopefully though, no respect is shown and we just, you know what I'm saying? A little. See, now you see why that's so frustrating that I took that first loss trying to short. Damn, look at this respect to 9:30 open. Is this 5 minutes still going to respect? 3 minutes left on this candle. This would be something. I'm just going to stick to my plan here. If we inverse this gap, I'll take my trade off. I still will make back what I lost on the first trade. Otherwise, I'm just going to hold it to target. Try not to get spooked out here too early. It ain't over until that TP gets filled, like your sister. Hey! Woo! 2 thumbs up, boys. You guys know the drill. Like it. We took 1 loss and 1 win on the same short idea. Obviously, the first entry came off the 15-second time frame. Remember, news came out. We manipulated the high. Turtle soup, I said. And as soon as we basically inversed, just seeing that heavy displacement back down, inversing this, leaving more, you know, so we left a BPR in the 15-second. So that was kind of what I was hoping would hold for me when I hopped in. Stop at this high. Got stopped out literally by... what was that, 260, 225, and then the high of this candle. High of this candle. Wow, 1 fucking tick. Are you serious? 1 tick, boys. 1 tick. 1 tick is what stopped me out of my first entry. I mean, you can't make this shit up. And then hopped off the 15-second, waited for there to be a little bit more displacement on a 1 minute. We did look at the 15-second briefly, and we thought this looked good, which also lined up with the 1 minute, so it took the entry there. Glad we did. Very little drawdown. And then pretty painless trade for the most part. Protected the trade once we traded into an opposing PD array, and price never came back to our entry, so that's good. I guess you could say, you could make the argument that my first loss, also something to note, my entry was prior to the macro. So you could say I was asking to get stopped out. Maybe you could say. Funny how that works. And then, yeah, entry came 9:56. TP hit the last minute of the macro, 10:09. Quick day at the office, boys. Enjoy your Monday, everybody. I will talk to you guys tomorrow morning.